Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's outsole.jpg from Lids and Kicks, and I'm back with another sneaker review today. And for today's video, I'll be reviewing the 2019 Air Jordan Bred 11. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Lids and Kicks. And like I said earlier, today's video is about the Air Jordan Bred 11 released last year, 2019. This sneaker must have dropped at least 2 or 3 times because I know there was a shock drop. There might have been more than one, to be honest. I can't remember that well, but I definitely knew people that had this shoe back in like November. The official release was in December. Yeah, so Nike and Jordan Brand released this shoe at least 2 or 3 times, I'm pretty sure. And so basically this shoe is pretty widely available if you really wanted it. Yeah, so just like many of you guys know, 1996, Michael Jordan returns to the Chicago Bulls, leads them to 72-10, and then they win the championship in 6 games against the Seattle Supersonics. And you know, in the iconic video of him crying after Game 6, he's rocking these Bred 11s. This particular colorway right here is most commonly referred to as the Bred 11. But it's also known as the Playoff 11, depending on who you talk to. The last time a pair of Bred 11s dropped was in December of 2012. I remember because I was in 7th grade. The main difference between the 2012 Bred 11s and the 2019 Bred 11s is just that these right here are apparently more true to the original from 1996 opposed to the 2012. It's really just personal preference. Again, we have that Air Jordan 3rd spacing. We have the thick rope laces. We have the slightly translucent red sole with the carbon fiber like usual. A noticeable difference on these is just that on the patent leather, it has more of a rough cut, which is true to the original apparently. That like rough cut on the stitching kind of adds like some contrast. Some people like it, some people don't. But it's really just personal preference, really. Just as far as the 2012 and the 2019, it's really just beauty in the eyes of the beholder. It's really just a matter of preference. I guess these overall have more of a throwback feel to them. That's more true to the original from 1996. So if you like that, I would go with these. These are widely available. The resale price isn't really too high on them just because they dropped so many times. However, for me personally, I would probably pick the 2012 version just because of the times, really. Just because I remember back then in 2012, I was in 7th grade. I couldn't get that sneaker. It had that really fly box, if you guys remember. Yeah, the 2012s were just so fly at the time. It was just, those were just like the coolest shoes you can have. And then just because of like the time period. Yeah, I just like how the 2012 versions had more of a sleek feel to them overall, but that's just my personal preference. They're both pretty similar. They have that 3rd spacing, like I said, the carbon fiber, translucent sole. But overall, this is a pretty glamorous basketball sneaker overall, and I would definitely recommend people cop. Yeah, I would personally prefer the 2012s, but to be honest, if you had the 2012s and the 2019s on feet at the same time, I really don't think people could really tell that much of a difference, so it's really just preference. So I'm pretty sure there's been about 1 million reviews about this sneaker so far, so I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's get into the unboxing and on feet portion of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. outsole.jpg, Lids and Kicks.
I love you, you lie. Baby, pass you by, you know just why